In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Save Connect module to your home internet using the WPS method. And here's a quick look at the overall connection flow, from your ventilation device all the way to the app on your phone. Today, we're focusing on the WPS method. If you'd like to see the other connection options, link to all connection methods videos are in the description below.
Power off the Save unit. Open the connection box for easy access. Plug one end of the cable into the connection box and the other end into the Save Connect module. Power up the Save unit. At this point, the red light should start to blink slowly. Activate Wi-Fi protected setup on your router. Then press and hold the activation button on the module for 5 seconds until the red light starts to blink twice per second. The module is searching for internet connection. Once the module detects internet access, the green light will start to blink slowly. If you've executed all the steps correctly, your Save Connect should display a slow blinking green color. Slowly blinking green light indicates that Save Connect is successfully connected to the cloud. Blinking fast red light indicates that Save Connect is connected to your router but not to the cloud. If you encounter this, please review your home router's firewall settings. Save Connect 2.0 utilizes MQTT port 1883 for outgoing connections, and it should be unblocked. Slowly blinking red light indicates that Save Connect is not connected to your router. In this scenario, the most likely cause is incorrect Wi-Fi password or poor Wi-Fi quality at the Save Connect module. Please attempt to reconnect with the correct credentials and make sure that the home internet gateway is close enough to the Save Connect module. Congratulations on successfully connecting your Save Connect. Now proceed to download the app and add your unit to your account.